We're cooking HAMOUR SCABITCHE, but first, thank you to my friend Jay and P's Adventures for having this fresh HAMOUR fish. Let's start to clean the fish. Put salt on it. Spread the salt into it and pepper powder and squeeze lemon. I have to cut it because it's too big. Set aside about 10 minutes. And this is my ingredients. Slice all of them thinly. In preheat skillet. Melting butter. Add carrots. Then add all bell peppers and onions. Add sweet chili sauce. And add some vinegar on it. And pepper powder. Bit of salt. Just mix it and set aside. Put cooking oil in hot skillet. Let's fry and cook the fish. Cover to cook. Let's check and flip up to cooked crispy on the other side. Cover again to cooked. Now let's check it out. Done cooked and put into a plate. Put butter on top and spread into it. And put the vegetables ingredients on top of it. Coriander for garnishing. Ready to serve.